Now we will make a pipe 333. First we insert the sheet metal inside of the tool like this. It has to be in 10 centimeters, and now we let the machine fold the pipe. We stop, and we have to open this plastic holder so we can finish the pipe. We have to oil the pipe good or use a spray. The machine stops automatically when it reaches the end, but we can stop it manually also. This is the pipe. When finished, it is straight 100 millimeter diameter. Also we can make bigger, 120, 150, 140. These are bigger pipes. This is the tool. We can mount it here. We unscrew this and put the tool here. It is 2 minutes of time.